Alright, here's the old headlight. If you can see, I'm in the shadows a bit here. Alright, so brought it back inside out the sun and removed the headlight. That's just the bucket there, and go over to here. I'm going to start taking this apart. Alright, so to take this out is very easy. I'm just going to do this backwards a little bit here, but this is in with 2 screws down here on my fingers, one there, and there's another screw at the bottom that goes into the headlight itself, and that whole thing just comes right out, just like that. And then this is the ring that comes with the new headlight. That just slips in, doing this one-handed. All right, and then the headlight goes in, and you probably won't see this on here, but there's a DOT SOE on the top as you look at it right now. Flip it over 180 and it sits right in. Should have brought a tripod. Never mind. So anyway, you get the idea. That's going to sit there. That's going to sit there. Next thing is this ring. This is what holds the whole thing in place, and there's a tab on there which goes back into the bucket on the bike, the headlight bucket. So that will go over the top like that. Again, easier with 2 hands. Should have brought a tripod. And you'll see that's going to go in. The holes are going to line up like that. So I'm just going to push that in place and then continue videoing it. Okay. All right, so I'm going to drop the screw in. All that can be edited out. Right, so this screw is going to go in there. Very light setting on this drill, by the way. Be the next mission next year. Okay. So we're going to hold that. I'll just edit it out. And snug it up. Do both sides. So now if I flip this over, well, that looks nice, doesn't it? It's pretty sharp, actually. Yeah, that's level, right? Does that look level? I think so. No, it doesn't. So I guess there's no indicator on here what level is apart from your own eyes. So I'll turn that just a little bit. So now this is going to plug into the bike, and this is what this is the connection for the halo lights already done. On some of these headlights you have to physically wire that in, but in this case you don't have to do that. So that's already plugged together, and we take this now over to the bike. Set it on that towel, and this really literally is plug and play. So that's it, done. And that tab here is going to go in that slot. That keeps it in the bottom, and the top snaps in. And now we're going to set the screws in. Oops. Steady there. Okay, that's good. It's not going anywhere. Snug it up with this. I like the feel of that one very much, but there we go. That's better. It's found its center now. Okay. Right, so let's turn on the light. See how she looks. So if you ever come over to the front here, and shoot straight down on it. Oh, is that bright? Nice, you got that really nice halo there, which I'm totally digging. So for regular running lights, we're going to have the halo, and we're going to have these three sections here. Then we're going to go the full beam. And you get all of them. Come down maybe. Yeah, that is a nice headlight. It makes the bike look new too. Anyway, that's how you install an Eagle, I think it's Eagle Dynamics headlight for a VTX 1800C. Hope it's useful. All right, next mission. We're going to put new mirrors on. Be back when they're done. All right, when I ordered these mirrors, these came for like a Harley. And mine being a metric, I had to order these separate studs that came in this pack. So if you're ordering a metric, or excuse me, if you have a metric motorcycle, then you will need to order that stud kit because these are for a Harley. They come with it. So I just already got thread lock on it. And I just put that the wrench. Hold that. All right, so this is a 10mm wrench on here. That nice and snug like that. This goes, slides on there and then threads on, and then this will go up against the handlebars to make a nice clean seam there. So let's go to the bike. Okay.
Yeah, but it's pretty dark.
Yeah, it might actually look better in the when I do it in post. It might look better. All right, so here we go. Make sure I get the angles the same. I was pretty close to it. And really that's all there is to it. You're just going to wrench tighten these. Do up there's two set screws on the side here, actually right here. You see that? Tighten them up with an Allen key on both sides and set it to your desired taste. So there we go, install of Kuryakyn mirrors.